Welcome to a face painting tutorial using Natural Earth face paints. We're going to be doing a zombie makeup tutorial, and I have a makeup applicator and white paint, and we're just going to apply it all over. Alright, once you cover your whole face with white, we're going to take a little bit of the brown, same sponge applicator, just a different part of it. Remember, you're supposed to be rotting and decaying, so it's going to be overlapping some brown and some black. You're going to take this under your eye. Right, took the brown, I'm gonna take a little bit of black. For black, you can just use your finger. Just gonna kind of take it all over. Some more black, some gangrene around the mouth. It's cool. Gonna overlap a little bit more brown. Take some on the sponge. This is a little bit easier if you use your finger because you can blend a little bit better. Not that the bamboo brushes aren't lovely, but sometimes you can get in there a little bit better with your finger than you can brushes. Alright, I'm going to take a little bit of the green on that sponge. I just don't like mixing my colors, so I'm not going to dip my finger in the colors. I'm just going to kind of mix them on my face and on my finger and use my sponge as a palette. I'm going to try adding a little bit of the yellow we have here. It's kind of like a mustardy gold kind of color. Maybe it'll highlight a little bit. A flat brush, back in the black. Take some more black. I'm gonna take a little bit of this like burnt orange kind of color. A little bit of blood. You can fill in any of your, if you have spaces that the paint didn't cover or anything, you could always just overlap it with some other colors. And there you have it. A grungy looking zombie.